comes to worst, I might have to just cut it off. Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about hair. So I am on a healthy hair care journey, which is actually why right now I have my hair in braids. And it's also why for this video I've partnered up with a hair care brand called Moerie that I will be talking about. So before we get into the product, I never really talk about hair on this channel, but the health of my hair has taken a pretty dramatic turn for the worse. So that's why I've even considered talking about hair care, is because I'm on a healthy hair journey and I just want to share with you all what's working for me, just in case you all are having issues too. So I will be inserting some pictures to show you all like kind of what we started with and how we ended up here. But yes, first I want to get into these Moerie hair care products. So this company contacted me, they gifted me these products, and I've really taken a step back from doing like gifted videos or sponsored videos just because I really want to bring you all like just genuine content. I don't want to like sell you on anything, and even for this, like this is just, they just gave it to me for free. I'm not making any money off of this. I don't get any commission from you guys buying these products. But the reason why I agreed to it is because, again, I'm on my healthy hair care journey, and then when I look them up online, it does say in their materials that they specialize in mineral, like all natural type products, and in particular for thinning hair and for people looking just for more like fuller hair and more hair growth. So that's what attracted me to them. And just from everything that I see, I think they're based in Lithuania, so I'm not sure. But also when I checked out their Instagram, I do see other women of color on their Instagram. So I was like, okay, you know what? It's like I'm at a crossroads. I'm in a hair crisis. Like I think it'd be worth to try their products. So they sent me 2 of their mineral shampoos. And as you can see on here, it says it has 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids. They also sent me their mineral conditioner, their mineral ultimate growth spray, and then their mineral hair repairing mask. And just to give you an idea of this brand, they are paraben free, fragrance free, cruelty free, silicone free, SLS free, and GMO free. And then also, yeah, it says fragrance free. The smell, yeah, there's really no smell to it. It's kind of minerally, but yeah. So I've been using all of these products. I actually use them with my braids, and I use them, I went without braids for a few weeks, and I used them in between getting these braids, so I can speak to the product. So these were definitely gentle on my hair. They weren't stripping. Like I definitely don't feel like my hair lost any of like the little bit of moisture that it already has. On that note, I don't necessarily think that it like added a lot of moisture to my hair. I don't even know if that's really a thing, but my hair didn't feel super moisturized after using these products. But I will say that I think that the role these will play in my like healthy hair care journey routine is just for like overall good general cleansing and very natural. So they claim to remove excessive free radicals and fill your hair with 77 trace minerals, 18 amino acids, and vitamins. Does your hair feel dramatically different after that happens? I don't know. Again, my hair right now is just like not in its best state. Now there's also the hair growth spray, which again, I think for me to give a full review, it's going to just take some time for me to be using it. I love the way it feels on my scalp. I will say that, like it feels really good. And then there's also the hair repair mask. Now this mask says it stimulates hair growth with caffeine and with organic oils to make your hair look shinier and easier to look after. So after using this, my hair definitely felt more moisturized than before, but again, it's so hard to judge it just right now, just because again, my hair is in such a like rough state. As I use this, I'll let you know kind of like my final thoughts on this hair care brand. But yes, if you're interested in minerals, natural products, products that claim to help grow your hair, then I would definitely check this company out. I will leave them in the description box. And now let's get into my hair. So after being pregnant with my son, my hair was like flourishing. I don't know if it was the pregnancy hormones or the pregnancy like vitamins or what it was, but my hair was just in like super growth mode. My hair started to get really long. I did experience postpartum shedding about 4 months after I had my son, around like my hair, like around this part of my hairline. But even with that, my hair was still like getting really long, really thick, and I did nothing special to it. Like I flat ironed it all the time. I mean, I pretty much abused my hair, but I felt like I could get away with it because there were never any like dire repercussions. Like my hair was long, it was healthy, it was just growing really well. Even when I started my YouTube channel, my hair was still like extremely thick and healthy, and that's when things started to go left. Like I started for my YouTube videos like straightening the crap out of my hair, like straightening it way more than usual. And I started realizing that I would start the video with my hair straight, and then by the time I was done filming, my hair would be like poofy, frizzy, and I still was just like I don't know what's going on with my hair. Maybe I just need to stop straightening it so much. So I eased up on the straightening, but my hair still like really started to break off like bad. So I started just like trimming it little by little, and I just kept trimming it. Like it just kept getting shorter and shorter, but I still couldn't cut it short enough to get rid of all like the dead and split ends. Well, then I had the bright idea to color my hair, and that was just not a good idea. So I colored it, and while the color looked good, the actual condition of my hair was still just bad, and it just went from bad to worse. I don't know what is causing the issues with my hair, so I decided to like stop putting heat on it. Like if I do put heat on it, it's maybe once a month, and I'll try to use either just cool air or just very low heat setting. But just the last time that I took my braids down and I washed and I combed my hair out, y'all, my hair was shedding like crazy. Like my hair is thinning like crazy. So hence we are on a healthy hair journey. So I will be periodically sharing with you all different products that I'm using, different things that I'm doing, and I'm going to try to share things as I see results, because I don't want to just be like experimenting on here with you all. So I will keep you posted on the Moerie products. I have started taking some biotin vitamins. I am going to be doing more protective hairstyles. I am going heat, like 100% heat free. I'm also going to be looking at doing some other things like rice water, oils, deep conditioned. And then one of the biggest things that I'm going to do is chill out. I know that stress can be a huge trigger for things, and I think that that's probably one of the underlying reasons why my hair is just behaving so poorly. If worse comes to worse, I might have to just cut it off. I don't want to do that, but I'm willing to do that if it just means saving what little hair that's healthy that I do have. But yes, just wanted to give you guys a hair update, let you know what's going on. If you're going through something similar, you are not alone. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this review of Moerie as well as my hair update, and I hope that you guys will stay tuned as I update you throughout my journey. If you stuck around this long, definitely subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this type of content. I will definitely see you on my next video, and as always, remember to be good to yourself. Mwah.